Welcome dear students. In our previous video, we studied about types of heritage and some of our handicrafts like clay art, weaving and embroidery, leather industry, etc. Now we'll take next type of handicraft, that is diamond and beadwork and enamel work. First of all, we'll study about the beadwork. Due to India's long coastline, diamonds and beads are available in plenty. There has been a wide use of gems and diamonds since ancient times. Since ancient times, trade of diamond and beads was carried out through sea routes with different countries across the sea. Diamond-studded ornaments have been in a great demand in foreign countries since long times. The world famous diamonds like Kohinoor and Great Mughal were found from India only. As Indians are fond of diamond and beaded ornaments, variety is found in great deal. Earlier, rich and royal people used to wear diamond jewelry apart from gold ornament. Diamonds, rubies, beads, emerald and topaz were used to adorn and beautify the thrones and crowns, and jewelry like bracelet and garland, etc. of kings and queens. Beadwork is also found prominence in Gujarat. The beautiful bead, toran, pachit, pot, bari means door grills and frames, a traditional wall piece that is called chakla, decorative coconut used at the time of ceremonies, lagnana, nariyal, indhoni, modia, a net which covers the mouth of a bullock and horn, hand fans, animal back cover, etc. are knitted in a unique artistic way by using beads. Now we'll study about the enamel work. India has been a leading country in jewelry since times. India is the only country in the world where expertise can be seen in enamel work. Apart from the gold and silver work, enamel work means the artistic skill of inlaying the bright colors like red, green and blue in the gold and silver ornaments like rings, bangles, earrings, keychain and chain, etc. Experts of enamel work are seen especially in the cities like Jaipur, Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi and Hyderabad, etc. Next is Jari work, gold and silver thread work, or we can call it brocade work. Jari work is seen in India since ancient time. Golden and silver threads are woven with clothes and embroidery is done with the gold and silver threads to decorate the clothes. Surat is a prominent place for Jari work. Knitting and embroidery of Jardozi work have a unique beauty. Even artisan of Surat could make beautiful dresses like sari, panetar, ghar chola, etc. bordered with jari if needed. These clothes are especially used in special occasion and bridal wear. Next is metal work engraving. Metal work is done in India by ancient times. Metal work is also very old form of art in India. Metal age began and developed after stone age. The artisan of Lothal made different weapons like sickle, drill and needle, etc. by the use of metals. With copper and bronze, moreover, they prepared utensils, idols and pots. Arms and ammunition for war were made up of metal. Gold and silver were used for making decorative ornaments. Copper, brass and bronze were used to make utensils and idols, whereas iron was used to make instruments and weapons. Wooden art is an integral part of every stage of human life. Art of making idol is as ancient as the Rig Veda. Idols of Sri Krishna, Balrama and Subhadra of Jagannath Puri, Orissa are made up of wood. By the characteristic intricacy, carved designs of lag work. Lag work is famous from the cities like Vadodara and Porbandar of Gujarat. Gujarat, Rajasthan are famous for their wooden artwork by ancient times. Many temples of Nepal are famous for their wooden art. Somnath wood work is 350 years old. Gradually, wood was used for different purposes like making idols, toys, wooden pillars, bajut, stool used for auspicious occasions, swing, cupboards, cradles, beds, etc. are made up of wood. After wooden art, we'll study about aqiq work. Aqiq is a kind of precious stone, especially found in valley areas of the rivers. It is chiefly chalcedonic mixed with silica, blue or white stone. Carnelian is main stone with semi-transparent quality and beautiful red in color. In Gujarat, various precious stones are available in big and small size at Ahmedabad, Ranpur and Surat, etc. All these stones are sent to Khambat to mold into various beautiful ornaments with various designs. Beads and garland of stones are prepared by them. Thank you.